Hey there guys, welcome back. This is Billy's RC and today I have yet another late Christmas unboxing. I know, right? I love these late unboxings. They're like my thing or something. So yeah, today I have another late Christmas unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing two new RC cars that I got over the holidays. So let's just jump straight in. So I'm just going to show you guys both of them as they are in their boxes right now. I'm just gonna show them one at a time just so we can make sure to get all the labels and stuff right. So this is a 1/20th scale full function radio control RC car, as y'all can see. Pretty nice. Honestly, it kind of looks like a Mini Z in all honesty. And I'm honestly kind of curious of how this thing's gonna do. We'll probably race it against the Mini Z maybe, I don't know. So, and here's the second one. This is an anti-gravity, sharper image gravity rover. Pretty cool looking. My girlfriend got me this one and my brother's girlfriend got me this one. So yeah, so two cars to unbox today. We're gonna save this one for last really just because this one has some wall climbing capabilities that I definitely want to try out in this video. So yeah, let's get into the Mini Z looking thing. All right, so the box art on this one is pretty cool. We got some interesting stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna look into it that much, but basically I think we have three options here. I'm really not sure what that red car is supposed to be, in all honesty, but I know that's a Ferrari and I know that's a Lambo, so a couple other options here. The body styles do look nice. I just really don't know what this red car is. It almost looks like it could be like a Zenvo or something. So it has headlights, moves forward and back, and turns left and right. Awesome. Pretty much everything I would want out of an RC car, in all honesty. So it's 1/20th scale, and you know, our boy's ready. All right, so let's figure out where the tape is. All right, fat thumb in there. Getting it out like we did last time. All right, there we go. Let's pull it out. Here's some stuff falling. Yes, it looks like one of these things that holds in the car fell off, but I think that's fine. And some trash. Yeah, let's just scoot that off for the time being, and let's check it out. So I'm pretty sure the car is just going to come out as I expected it to be. The steering trim is a little bit off, and that's kind of how you can tell it's a toy grade, but it seems like it's pretty well made. It feels pretty solid. There's no taillights, sadly, and they didn't even bother. I thought those were like really dark red lights for a second, but yeah, those are just straight black. Anyway, and it's kind of interesting how they did the windshield like that. It's sort of like a matte, and this is the shine. I don't know. Yeah, we have a toy grade controller as we'd expect. But this thing does look like some fun, so I'm gonna throw some batteries into this thing and we'll see it go. All right, so now that I've loaded the batteries into the car and into the remote, real quick, let's just compare the size of this little Ferrari to the size of a Mini Z. So as you can see, they're roughly almost the same size. It looks like this one is just a little bit bigger, but that's really just because I think the Mini Zs are 1/24th scale, so it makes sense. I don't really know what the deal is with the radio, or the remote. There's no on switch, so I guess it's just on all the time, anytime there's batteries in here. So obviously toy grade level controls, so let's just give it a whirl. Okay, so we have the car, we're gonna switch it on, and let's see her go. The headlights come on when you go forward and, well, just forward, I guess. That's pretty cool. I haven't really had that many RC cars that have headlights, so. Let's see if we can do like a J-turn. All right, we kind of did it there. Let's put it on something more open. Yeah, I'm more used to like a trigger like style radio, so doing that wasn't exactly easy. Okay, we can drift. Not bad. It seems like it can only really drift to like the left, but hey, not bad. We can do some stuff. That is super fun to drive around. Like, I mean, it's like flashing like high beams, you know? It's like you're on the road at night and like someone does this. I mean, so obviously like not high performance, but I feel like for $5, this thing is pretty freaking fun. I mean, it slides out on my hard floor. Obviously you can't really do carpets unless it's like one of those like flat, like kind of carpets, I guess. But yeah, this thing was way more fun than I thought it was gonna be. I'm definitely gonna be playing with this a little bit more, and I'll definitely keep this out just for, I guess, if my guests ever want to come over and play with a little RC car. But yeah, that is super fun. Like, I honestly like have fun playing with this thing. Like, as y'all saw, like it can drift and do stuff. So yeah, pretty freaking cool. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, so we got a pretty tall box here with the anti-gravity sharper image thing. Climbs from floor to wall to ceiling. Well, I'll definitely be giving that a try because I'm not really too sure how accurate that is considering it's just two propellers, but that does look like a lithium-based battery in there, so I'm sure it could do some stuff. And those, I'm really kind of curious of how those tires are gonna feel, but it just looks super freaking cool. LED light effects, multi-directional operation, gravity defying propellers, wall ceiling climbing. Okay, that's what the radio looks like. Yeah, it does look like it has some LEDs. I thought that was just some like box art, but okay, yeah. All right, I'm getting down with it. Charge time is about 1 hour and 40 minutes. It's 2.4 gigahertz, so that means it's, you know, on the same level as the hobby grade boys. 3 underglow LED lights light up your path. Hell yeah, oversized wheels to climb from walls to ceiling. And I really like how they kind of have like this, I really like the box art on this. It looks pretty cool. Let's just dive straight on in, shall we? We might need some help gripping this stuff. Okay, we got it. Can just pull it out. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have a Type-C plug, so that'll be another nice one to have just laying around. That's actually kind of heavy feeling. Instructions, we might have to look at that later. Is this a warranty thing? Don't have returns. Okay. I feel like I'm decently well versed in RC to the point where I don't need that stuff. What the hell is this? Okay, so now that we've freed that, do you charge this or like what's the deal? So I'm really liking that. It seems like it's gonna be like a tank steer type of thing because that only goes up and down. It does not go side to side. Gravity Rover 77, designed in California. Hell yeah. And then Gravity Drive. That's pretty cool how they have that button right there. Okay, so there's some instruction right there. Unscrew and pull down to access batteries. Let's do that. All right, so it takes 4 AA's and they all pretty much just sit right here. There's some more propellers in here from what I noticed, as well as the charger. This is the on switch. It's pretty futuristic how this thing kind of turns on. There's no sound or anything, but just watch this, right? So we turn that and it just comes alive. I'm not really sure how well that's picking up on camera, but and when you turn it off, it sort of like kind of fades away. It kind of fades in and fades out. Like, that's pretty cool. So Yeah, pretty cool looking radio, 2.4 gigahertz. We got gravity drive. Let's get into the actual car now. All right, so pulling out the actual car now. Let's go ahead and free it from its prison. All right, so hopefully that was enough to get it out. And it was. So taking this trash and kind of let us take a look. So, okay, those tires are super soft. They definitely feel like they can grip pretty well. Yeah, just it sitting on the table, it definitely grips the table pretty well. I'm definitely sure that it could grip the wall pretty well too. They're definitely not sticky. They're just very, very like grippy. They're like foam tires, if you will. So the battery pack is clearly in there. It says it takes about an hour and 40 minutes for this thing to charge up, but I'm honestly just kind of curious to see if there's any just charge in it right now, to which it looks like there is. So, you know, being an RC professional, whatever, let's turn on the radio first, power that up, and then let's just see if we can drive it. I'm not really sure which way is forward or which way is backwards. I would imagine that this is the back because those are like taillights, so. Okay, there we go. That would seem to be the left side. I guess the taillights face the front. It's really hard to do this on camera. Oh God, yeah. But I guess we can get this thing on the floor now. All right, I'm gonna now drive this thing into frame. Okay, so that's pretty slow. It's actually slower than the Ferrari, but I mean, hey, Ferrari go fast. I guess we can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, not a little too much. Yeah, there we go. So as all toy grades go, there's pretty much just one speed, but it's a very controllable one though, I'll say. Let's see if we can shift this thing into that gravity drive mode, or I think it might need more charge, but let's just see what'll happen. Line it up, I guess, against the wall. Here, I'll line it up better. Yeah. I'm not really sure how to use that button. I think you're supposed to like hold it or something. I believe that is something I would have to open the instructions to learn how to do. I'm really just trying to see if the tires are like all on there correctly. Alright, so pretty much you just hold the thing and then it goes up a wall. Alright, sorry for that interruption, y'all. I just had to take a bit of a 12-hour break there for a sec because I got busy with some school stuff and some mom stuff, I guess. So anyway, I'm back now. So getting back to it though, as I left off, I was trying to climb this thing up the wall over there. It wasn't really doing it, honestly. I tried to do it for like a little bit more, but because of the way that like this apartment is, it has like a crown top and bottom, so it can really only climb up like 90-degree angles, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all pretty much on this table right here, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so powering it on again. Let's go ahead and flip that switch. We got our sweet underglow. I'm sure that would look cooler if all the lights were off, but I'm not really going to do this for too long, really, just because it's loud. But I'll definitely show y'all some footage of it, like going up on the wall and on the ceiling and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty loud, but other than that though, yeah, that's pretty much how it climbs up onto the wall, and whenever it goes onto the wall, you can climb it onto the ceiling. It also seems to do pretty well on carpet surfaces as well. This isn't the most shaggy carpet in the world, but it's definitely got some texture, although I will say that the hair can get caught up in the gears, and the tires are really, like, since they're really foamy, like they really grip onto the texture of the carpet pretty well, so. I've also had like a lot of off-camera time to play with this thing as well, and I've honestly had a lot of fun with it. It's really cool to have like this little rover looking thing kind of crawl everywhere. Alright, so wrapping it up for the Gravity Rover here, this thing is pretty freaking fun. I had a lot of as I said earlier, a lot of off-camera time to play with this thing, and it's pretty cool. It's definitely unique in terms of like RC. It's just like, it's really just like Rover style. Like it has like those 6 wheels, those really grippy foamy tires, and just that interesting looking like roll cage thing, as well as of course the blades. So yeah, had a lot of fun with this. I might make more videos of this later if y'all want. Maybe we can do something with it. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video for today for the Gravity Rover and the Ferrari. So tell me what y'all thought in the comments down below, and give it a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.